All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. We're doing 3 fun facts about the QX55 that you didn't already know. All right, one of the coolest parts about this QX55 that it doesn't cost a fortune to maintain. You get the luxury with regular car maintenance. You do get different driving modes. You can put it in personal where you want to make it how you want. You can put it in sport and pretend you're Mario Andretti. Standard, which you're going to be in all the time, or if you're worried about saving gas money, Eco's the way to go. It's got the 2 distinct screens, one to cover your stereo and things like that, but you can have both of them on there and you can put whichever thing you want to see the most on the screen that works for you. And the third one is, it's an Infiniti. It's fun to drive. It's a great choice. You get the best of both worlds. You get regular car maintenance, you get all the tech, you get the fun to drive, and at Go Luxury, no matter what you buy, you get the great price. Come and check this vehicle out in our amazing lineup of over 200 cars available right now in our climate controlled air conditioned showroom. It's always 72 and sunny in here. Come see Brian. I'm ready to help.